Hey everyone, welcome back to the channel. In today's video, I'm going to show you how to enable Picked for You on Threads application. It's really simple and easy. First of all, you have to open the Threads application and make sure you are logged into your account. And then make sure you are using the latest version of Threads application. Here you want to click on the profile picture in the bottom right corner here. And then simply tap on this double line in the top right corner here. You will see these options here. Now you have to tap on this notifications here, and in notifications you can see these options. You have to tap on this from threads which is on the bottom, and you have to make sure to toggle this button on just next to pick for you. Make sure that it's not on the off, it's on this on option. You could see currently I already enabled it, so just like that, and you will have successfully enabled pick for you on threads application. So that's pretty much it for this video. That's how to enable pick for you on threads app. I hope this video was helpful. If it is, like it and subscribe to the channel. Thank you.